Are you looking for a home that shows like a model with a lush backyard and a private cutout just steps away from one of the largest clubhouses in Southwest Florida? This is Valencia Bonita. (16354) Vivara Place is designer furnished and ready for you to move in and make this your new home. Some of the upgraded features in this 2-bedroom den Bristol model include full hurricane protection, an extended lanai with a storm smart screen, built-in office, and an elevated kitchen design, and a newly screened-in entryway perfect for enjoying your morning coffee. I'm Sue Forster with Team 239 Local Real Estate, and I'd love to answer any questions for you about this villa, Valencia Bonita community, or come take a tour with me.